Hi there, this is David from Bitesize Britain. Today we have a lesson for elementary level students of English, and the lesson is on this: how you can give help to friends when they have problems. Okay? What can we say to our friends when they have problems in English? So you can see an example here of two friends. One has a problem, one wants to help. The friend on the right says, What do you think is the missing word? There's a pause button on the screen. If you want to pause the video, you can, to think, and then start the video when you think you have the answer. She says, What's wrong? What's wrong? The friend, she's holding her head. Oof, oof. Something hurts, a pain here. She says, I've got. What do you think are the missing words? Pause for a moment. I've got a headache. I've got a headache. So what's wrong? I've got a headache. So the friend wants to help. She has an idea to help her. This is her idea. Okay. You can see she thinks it's a good idea to go to bed. So what does she say to her? She says, what's the missing word? When you want to give someone help, what word can you use here? Pause and think for a moment. Maybe you know. It's you should go to bed. You should go to bed. Listen. Should. That should go to bed. So what's wrong? I've got a headache. You should go to bed. Here's another idea she has. What does she say to her? Again, we can use should. What do you think her idea is? Pause for a moment. You should go for a walk. You should go for a walk. Here's another idea she has. Here's another idea. What do you think this is? Pause. You should drink some water. You should drink some water. And one more idea. What do you think this is? Pause. You should take some medicine. You should take some medicine. So our friend is using you should when she wants to help her friend with a problem, and she wants to give her an idea of what she can do to make things better. This is called giving advice. When we say something to help people, this is giving advice. So the friend on the right is giving advice to the friend on the left. She says, what's wrong? She says, I've got a headache. And so now she gives advice, and she uses you should. You should go to bed. You should go for a walk. You should drink some water. You should take medicine. And this is when we are a friend and we want to give help to a friend. We're not her mother. We're not her doctor. We're not a policeman. We're just giving her ideas, and she can say yes or no. Doesn't matter. Now, there are many different problems we can give advice for. Here are 4 problems. What does the person say for these problems? How does the person describe the problem? Think for a moment and pause and then continue. Number 1, I've got a toothache. Toothache. Number 2, he wants to sleep. So he says, I'm tired. Number 3, I've got no money. And number 4, I'm overweight. I'm overweight. So, what is the best advice for these different problems? So, for example, I've got toothache. You should eat some ice cream, go to the dentist, drink Coca-Cola. Pause for a moment. What do you think is the best advice here? Yep, go to the dentist. You should go to the dentist. Next problem, I'm tired. You should go to bed early. You should drink an energy drink. You should drink some coffee. What do you think is the best advice here? Pause for a moment. That's right. You should go to bed early. What about I've got no money? She says, you should play the lottery, find a job, go to the casino. What do you think is the best advice here? Pause for a moment. That's right. Find a job is probably the best advice to get some more money. Okay, so you can see to give advice, to help your friend, you can use the phrase you should and then your idea with a verb, like play the lottery, find a job, go to the casino, drink some water. Remember the pronunciation, you should. You should. So, should. Okay. If you want to try to check your understanding of this, there are some activities you can do by yourself. You can scan the QR code or you can click on the link in the description and you'll see there are some activities on that web page. There's different ones you can click on, choose it, match it, fill it, order it. They will check your understanding of should and giving advice. And then practice, you can try to create some of your own ideas using the phrase you should. Okay, I hope you found that useful and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.